for more of this quick recipe.
Endelea, usiwahi stop.
Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen, where we cook delicious meals that are very easy to prepare. If you're new here, karibu sana, and feel free to press the notification button down below, so once I upload a video, you'll be able to be notified. For you who's already part of Winnfrey's kitchen family, asante sana, and stay tuned for more of these delicious recipes. So today I'm going to show you a simple red fried fish recipe. Twende kazi.
For the ingredients, we need 2 medium-sized whole deep-fried tilapia fish, 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 large onion, coriander stems and leaves, 1 medium-sized green bell pepper, Maziwa mala. For the spices, we need a half tablespoon of oregano, a half tablespoon of thyme, a half tablespoon fish masala, a half tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 nor beef cube, salt to taste. First, we will cut the coriander stems, then onions, the bell peppers, and then grate the tomatoes. We'll then heat some oil in a skillet, add the onions, coriander stems, and the cut bell peppers. Let this saute for approximately 40 seconds. Then add the tomatoes and the tomato paste and let this cook through. Once the sauce is well cooked, add Maziwa mala and let this cook through too. Add the fish in the sauce and ensure that every part of the fish is well coated with the sauce. Flip the fish, but with care so that it doesn't break. Cover this and then let it cook for a few minutes on medium heat. When every part is well coated and well cooked, garnish the fish with coriander leaves and the fish is ready to serve. You can have this fish with ugali, mashed potatoes, or even rice. I had mine with ugali and buttered spinach, and the combo was fire.
That's all we had for you today. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Winnfrey's Kitchen for more of these quick and easy delicious homemade recipes. Till next time, palam!